We've just installed the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Tundra Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system adds top-of-the-line wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto right into your factory screen. It feels like something that came from Toyota. You can see shifting to reverse will bring up your original backup camera, and back to park or drive brings you right back into CarPlay, like a brand new car. Of course, your steering wheel controls will continue to work, and you can see that here. This system is fully touchscreen. It also works with your original knob. You can see that I can cycle that knob to move through all of the apps. I can also reach out and simply touch the screen as well. No matter which music app you use, whether Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or another app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and cover art. It makes this Tundra feel like a brand new car. Of course, navigation is going to be so much better with CarPlay compared to that factory Toyota system. I'll show you here. Siri reads your directions.
Starting route to 1101 East Whitaker Mill Road. Proceed to Sam Roper Drive.
This system allows you to access your factory Toyota operating system simply by long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds. You won't lose access to any Toyota features, and you can switch back to that Toyota system at any time. It'll preserve all of your original audio modes, including your factory radio, AM and FM, as well as satellite XM radio. Coming back to CarPlay, all you have to do is long hold that voice speech button. Our engineers have precision-tuned our system to work with your factory microphone. A quick press of the voice speech will trigger Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently clear and 91 degrees in Raleigh, North Carolina. Temperatures are heading down from 91 to 78 degrees tonight.
Because we've precision-tuned our system to work with your factory microphone, Siri has no trouble hearing you, and phone calls and text messages are easy to do through Siri. Less expensive systems, they don't have the resources to test on cars in the United States, and so they're unable frequently to use the factory microphone at all. And when they do, they're not able to tune it and test it properly. You can see here, no matter whether an app is used in your business or personal life, you'll have easy access to it in CarPlay. This is your split screen view. Over here, you can see navigation next to your music. This system has a gold-plated circuit board. We've custom engineered this circuit board in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we only use the highest quality components, similar to how Toyota designed your factory system. Because of this, we're able to back it with a 3-year warranty called the Hamilton Guarantee. It's a top-of-the-line warranty, and it means that we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. If you ever have an issue, all you need to do is check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com, and you can submit a warranty claim on our website. You can also call us at 919-858-2890, and you can talk to me or one of my teammates here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We're grateful for your business, and we'll see you in the next video.